GCC region is one of the regions that have maximum out of curriculum universities. So you will have a British curriculum university, you will have an Indian curriculum university, an American curriculum university. There are a lot of private sector investments within the region. And when these private sector investments come in, they bring in a lot of innovation, and they take the overall dynamics of the education sector a couple of steps forward. Some of the negatives, some of the inhibitors of the overall IT budget and the overall IT growth within the education segment are definitely the financial stability. I did mention that the education sector is relatively resilient, but not completely. The growing financial instability, especially in the GCC region in 2016, will definitely have an impact. So we wouldn't see the 30% increase in budgets as we saw in 2015. IT staff skills is a big concern among the education segment. So you wouldn't see many CIOs within the education segment. There are some in some of the bigger universities, some of the bigger schools, but this is a role that needs to be there within education as well. Like if you would have a CIO for an oil and gas, for a bank, you need this for education as well, because this would be the information officer, the IT manager that will make sure that there are all the skills necessary for all the technology adoption that is coming the education institute's way. Also, there's a mismatch now between private and public sector investments. So there is government investments going on, but then the private sector comes in and has a totally different kind of budget and totally different kind of roadmap or vision for their institution. So this mismatch also causes it kind of hampers the IT budgets that are allocated as well.